Zimbabwe is once again grappling with a critical shortage of local currency, this time in the form of the newly introduced Zimbabwe Gold ZIG, despite assurances from the Reserve of Zimbabwe RBZ that enough cash is in circulation to meet public demands. Salamira mashoko bwanyu kwachinzi aiwa ZIG shortage panguva ino yorova the country. Don't subscribe or on the bell icon. Tivina munomo bwanyu kwamuchinzi. The current scarcity, particularly pronounced in areas outside Harare, has reignited concerns over Zimbabwe's long-standing monetary instability, which dates back to the early 2000s. The ongoing crisis is rooted in decades of poor economic governance, failed monetary reforms, and public distrust in the financial system. These systemic issues have left the country trapped in a cycle of currency collapse, cash shortages, and inflationary pressures. Since 2000, Zimbabwe has undergone numerous currency changes, each accompanied by promises of stability that failed to materialize. From the infamous Zimbabwean dollar, once rendered worthless by hyperinflation, to the US dollar era and the later RTGS dollar experiment, each phase has been plagued by inconsistent policy decisions, political interference in monetary affairs, and a lack of confidence in the central bank. The introduction of ZIG in April 2024 was the latest attempt to restore stability through gold-backed currency. In a statement issued yesterday, RBZ Governor John Mshavan sought to calm public anxiety, insisting that there is no shortage of ZIG in the market. However, on the ground, the story is different. Long queues at banks, limited cash at ATMs, and the rising complaints from business and consumers alike paint a picture of a current system once again failing to meet everyday needs. While the RBZ says some banks have begun disbursing ZIG through ATMs and others are in the process of reconfiguring their machines, distribution remains patchy and slow. To address the crisis, the central bank says it is working closely with financial institutions to scale up the availability of ZIG in both physical and electronic forms. Domashko aripo panguva ine chinokaunzi awa the ZIG currency panguva ine kana vakanyatsofunga zvavo ngovangoibvisa anoda kuti hapana chairi kubetsera vanhu vari kuuya vachikomenda vataura zvakasiyana siyana pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinda kuna section yedu muzamafungiro aimot kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.